Hello everyone. The 6th season of Ranked Mode has begun, and on this occasion, new items have been added to the Ranked store that I think are valuable, a new legendary camouflage, a new legendary avatar, and a new legendary flag. But the best and most exciting addition is the new frigate. SPS Smart 4000. I like this ship, it's fun and exciting to play with, it's fast and fiery. I like ranked mode, but matchmaking is annoying sometimes. I hope the developers fix it.